Today we're gonna cook Mexican fajitas. We will need paprika, oregano, pepper, lemon, lime, pepper, cheese, onion, avocado, meat, salt, olive oil and soya, and of course the soft grapes. The first step is to marinate the meat. We will put the juice of the lime, also a big spoon of soya, a big spoon of olive oil, paprika, oregano, and also pepper. And we have to mix everything with your hands, like this. When all the ingredients are mixed, we have to leave the meat 15 minutes. The second step is to cut all the vegetables. Now it's time to prepare the guacamole for the fajitas. We will cut the avocado, it must be soft. We need to cut them in small pieces. And put it in a bowl like this. Now we add the juice of half a lemon, a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, some olive oil, and also if you want a spicy flavor you can add a little bit of chili. And the final result should be like this. Now it's time to cook all the ingredients. First we put a little bit of olive oil in the pan and then we add the onion. We leave it in the pan 3 minutes. Now we add the pepper, we mix it with the onion. We put some salt and we wait 10 minutes. When the vegetables are ready, we add the meat. We have to mix everything all the time and we wait 10 more minutes. You can add also some cheese and you have to mix everything during 2 minutes and the meat will be done. Before eating, you have to put the wraps in a pan 20 seconds each side. Let's prepare the fajitas. We put the avocado in the wrap, and then we add the meat with the vegetables. And then we roll the wrap.